Today's the unboxing review of My Hero Academia 2 Heroes Blu-ray and DVD combo pack, the movie. And I actually have pre-ordered this a while ago, and I actually am so excited for this unboxing review. And I actually did a movie review of it because I actually watched it back in September 2018. And so here we go. And here it is, My Hero Academia 2 Heroes, the movie, which in the front we have Izuku, Marisa, Bakugo, Todoroki, Ochaku, Ida, Kirishima, Yadorozu, and on the top right here we have All Might and David Shield. Right and left side is Izuku. And on the back, we see the screenshots for the movie scenes and the extra we have on the special features. And let's see what the disc looks like. Here it is. This is the code for the additional copy. And here is the disc. The blue and red are the Blu-ray disc and the DVD disc. And the disc are Izuku, Ochaku, Bakugo, Todoroki, and Ida. And inside of the disc cover, the cover, we actually seen inside, which are the Class 1A, Izuku, Bakugo, Marisa, Ochaku, Todoroki, Yadorozu, Kirishima, Ida, Jiro, and Kaminari. That's actually on this cover. If you actually like to switch on both of them, you can. Let me just put it back in there. There we go. And also, along with the pre-order, I've actually pre-ordered this, the My Hero Academia deku button, which it has Izuku on it, and I actually loving this. This actually has the deku on it, and the size of it is actually incredible. And if you guys actually seen the review of the movie, you guys can go ahead and check it out. The link down the description down below. And I cannot wait for the My Hero Academia second movie that's going to come out this winter of this year. So yeah, I cannot wait for it. So anyway, like the video, subscribe for more, and comment up what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until this is Anime Guy Jordan here saying sign out. Laters.